Hello everyone, this video is going to be an unboxing. I already opened the box, only because I don't want this flap seen. I didn't look in it because it has my address. Now, inside here is two boxes. One is my Tandem TSlim new insulin pump, and the other is the accessory kit with the cord and charger cord and that stuff. So here we go. Paper. Pump box. Accessory box. Now I'm going to open the accessories first. Now I'm not going to put the pump on and start using it because my training is until next Monday the 25th. Forgive me, I'm just trying to figure out how this opens. I just had to get the last bit of sticker off. Alright. Let's move you down a little. Now, in this box is the user guide. Nice, big, chunky monkey. But of course, because it's new to me, I will go and look through and read 25, 27, 32, 33 chapters. Lots. This is the pump case. This clip, you can have it this way or change it this way, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I believe it goes through there for the other way. Then there is the plug-in part. The plug's right here, and it flips out. Oh wait. This is the Tandem key to help you. Some people use it, some don't. That I hear from videos and stuff. It helps you to take the cartridge off the pump. Then we have the cord that attaches to the plug-in part so that you can charge your pump, because unlike this one, which is my Medtronic pump, which is operated by batteries, this new pump is operated with an internal battery that you charge. Okay, that's everything out of that box. So let's set things back in for now so I don't lose anything. Oh. Now let's set the accessory box down. It's this. You look at it off camera, which is a good thing because it shows my address. And I got the Control IQ. I'm going to show you this part of because it doesn't have my address. That's why it's folded. Showing one accessory kit and one Control IQ English pump. That I will not put back. I'll put it here. Now, and it's been a long time since I've seen a brand new unboxing of a Tandem pump. I'm in Canada, so they've only been in Canada for, I believe, a couple years. Not really that much. 2 years and something. Okay. First, there's a pump, this thing that says, place your label on the back of the pump. Oh, that's cool. It's got labels for all sorts of places. And different languages: Australia, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, Denmark. I'm only saying ones that I know how to say. And of course mine, Canada. And the Canada is in English and French. So I'll set that there for now. Very, very careful getting this out. My insulin pump. Now, that's cold. The insulin cartridge goes right here. See, this slides off and the cartridge goes there. But I'm going to slide that back on because my training is until Monday. If I can figure out how to slide it back on. I will try and put that back on after the video. But anyhow, it's a beautiful insulin pump. Oh, you can see me in the pump. Tandem There's the power button. There's the place to plug it in for your charger. Let's see. I probably have to charge it. But this beauty is my second pump ever. The first one I had was Medtronic. And that pump was awesome. Oh, I got that back on. There's the back of my pump. That side with the port for the charger in that. The bottom. That side. The top. And then I will do another video where after my training session. So yeah, this is my second pump ever. This was my first, the Medtronic MiniMed 630G. And this is now my second pump, the Tandem TSlim X2. Sorry, I've got asthma. I will do a review after I've used it for a little while, but I will do first impressions of use after my training on Monday. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Peace. Much love. Take care of yourselves. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you like these. Bye-bye.